Where's Happy Lily? Where is she? Happy Lily.
Ma.
Where's Happy Ben? Where is he? Lily, where are you? I want Happy Lily to come out, not Sad Lily. I want Happy Lily. Where is she? Oh, Sad Lily's in the tent being whiny? Oh, where's my happy one? Uh-oh. Sounds like a bear in there. A grouchy bear. Oh, is it Happy Lily? Who is that? Who is that? Huh? You're gonna, don't break it. Where, is that Happy or Sad Lily? I can't tell. Oh, I think that's Sad Lily. Oh, no, it's Happy. What? What, Lily?
I want
Ugh, you took my blankie.
it's mine.
Benny, are you happy? Oh, don't touch it.
I want to take a video.